We reacting to Cooper Flagg. If y'all don't know, this is the coldest white boy in high school right now. Yo, I just got put onto him a few days ago. Like, I think I seen him in like a youth or a reel. It was an Insta reel. He yelling at that nigga. Calm. Oh my. Nothing. Chilling. Hold on. Look at him. Yep. I do that. Nothing crazy. Give me that. Look up. Nah, I ain't giving it to these niggas. They bums. Oh. That's crazy. Every game too. That's tough. Having a Chris Paul cosign is kind of tough. I'm not gonna lie. Oh shit! This is a TikTok. He said, "Little boy." He said, "Little boy, get off of me." Woo. I didn't even see that crossover. Off the backboard. Oh my gosh. Behind the back. In and out. Calm. No effort, bro. It doesn't look like he over 3 people. He just passes it to himself. Oh my gosh. Look at him chase that shit down. Yo. That's scary. I ain't gonna lie. He really got there. Look at Bron. He said, yeah. Lovebirds. Oh, he booming that bitch. Damn. He just booming on everybody. Scoring 52 points. Jesus. He got a burner on him too. Has he? And one. Damn, bro, that he dunks so effortlessly. Block, just put back like nothing. Get the fuck out of here. Look at him. Poor fucking guy. Was he about to get that bitch? Oh, he a demon. He wanted to block that bitch and go down the other side and just dunk that hoe. Peep. Nah, look at how much of a demon he is. Hold on. Look at him rush. He said, nah, that's mine. He a demon. Why are you talking shit? Okay. They made sure he knew about it. Not the double team. Triple team, quadruple team. Block. Tough. I ain't gonna lie. He is not fucking with fucking Cooper. He ain't fucking with Cooper. Look at him just smiling. Spin off. That's a pro move. That's a pro move right there. If y'all don't know, add that to your bag. Peep. Peep. Spin off. Just push him off. That time, you see, this is why you have to have counters for your moves. Cause peep, he did the same thing. And that time he ain't fall for it. Ooh, he's there, right? So what you do, you gotta step back. Look at that. Bucket. Oh my gosh. Who's that? Am I tripping for not knowing who that is? Damn, 13 going crazy, kind of. He said fader. And one. He dead as fuck. He probably playing 50 minutes. Cooper Flagg versus Boozer. Oh shit. Isn't Boozer? Yeah, Boozer's number 1. Oh my gosh. He sauced that nigga up. Ah, push off. Fucking give me that. He say it don't matter. Oh, that's a great pump fake. That's a great pump fake. How tall are these niggas? 6'10". 16. Damn, that's tough. That's tough. Nah, that windmill was crazy. After windmill, oh my God! No way. You should have pulled that bitch in his fucking mouth. He said, stupid, come here. He said, he waited for him. That's crazy. Get the fuck out of here. Give me that. Throw it up. Ah, damn. Give me that shit. Jesus. Nah, he said, get out the way. I got it. He said, get out the way. I got it. He put on an insane 38 points, 16 rebounds, and 12 blocks. That's nuts, bro. That's nuts. We don't have a lot of people that are like really defensive demons in the league right now. I'm not gonna lie. Defense is kind of, it's not like how it used to be for sure. Get the fuck out of here. Yeah, just look at him. Goofy. What a pass. What a pass. Give and go. Get the... Why y'all keep on going inside? I'm shooting all game if I'm the other team. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not going in the paint. I'm not going in the paint. He said cross. Mahim, give me that. And nobody could guard him. That's the worst part. Cooper woke up hungry. Damn. Pro move. That's lovely. That shit was... Ooh. He almost slipped. Reverse layup is in that bag. I didn't know he had that. I'm not gonna lie. Didn't know he had that. Oh. Damn, he's so lengthy. Oh, that spin move is crazy. Tipping. Nah, that's crazy, man. That's crazy. Cooper is definitely certified, bro.
Cooper Flagg just dropped 71 points, 32 rebounds, 11 assists, and 20 blocks in 2 games yesterday at Peace Jam.
Yeah, no, he's different. He's different.